Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade unniyappam, only way. Start by soaking raw rice and roasted rice for a few hours, then drain and grind with grated coconut and ripe banana into a smooth batter. Dissolve jaggery into warm water and strain before mixing into batter. Adjust thickness to drop consistency. Let batter rest briefly while you heat the oil and prepare the pan for frying. Measure ingredients precisely for a dependable batter. Grind soaked rice with grated coconut and banana until smooth, then fold in the jaggery syrup and a pinch of salt. Aim for a consistency that falls slowly from a spoon and holds shape in the hot oil. Add water sparingly to adjust. Let the batter rest to hydrate fully and develop mild fermentation notes that brighten flavor before frying. Preheat your pan and keep the flame steady for even cooking. Grease each mold well and drop batter into the center, filling but not overflowing. Cook until the edges set and a skewer comes out clean. Turn each piece gently to brown the other side, adjusting heat to prevent overbrowning. Drain on paper briefly to remove excess oil, then cool slightly so the interior remains soft and the exterior is crisp and caramelized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.